Okay, so this is the Anker 548. Please excuse my messy desk. I'm trying to do a time lapse to show how long it takes to charge up the MacBook Pro at 60 watts, and with this battery being at 100%, what's the charge going to be after it's done? I've got a clock in the background. It's currently 11:02 Central Time. I also have this connected, which is going to tell us how much, like MAH and stuff it pulled, like watt hours. So let's go ahead and connect that to the USB-C. Alright, now you can see that it's drawing 61 watts. The laptop was completely dead. Also, you can see that the number is reset. Also, you can see that this is a brand new thing. It's never been plugged in before. So 29 watt hours or milliamp hours or whatever. No, watt hours is the bottom one. So we're going to see what that pink number changes to in time. At this current rate, it says it'll be 3 hours and 6 minutes, which means this should be fully charged before it's done. I'll be back whenever it's done. I also figured out how to change the timeout settings, so it's going to time out in 30 minutes instead of just 5 seconds. Alright, so an update. We're at 61% battery remaining, 2 hours, 47 minutes in this current state. It has slowed down to 39 watts because our battery is at 82%. So 82% is way better than 0%. 0 to 83%. Still have more than half the battery left. That is awesome. Alright, so we have 51% battery remaining on the battery bank, and we have 95% charged. Nice. I feel confident being able to charge my MacBook Pro 14-inch twice using this battery bank right here. Alright, here we are just a short while later. We are at 51% battery. It says 11 hours remaining, and we are at 100% charged. And we've used 85 of the pink number and 4,369 of the little blue number. And that is from 0% battery. The laptop powered down, it was dead, and then it wouldn't turn on right away, and then now it's at 100%. And ideally you would not do that. So you're going to have a little bit more than 50% remaining, and then you're going to be able to charge it up a second time. That is friggin' awesome. Love this thing. Alright, this is the last little clip of this video. Battery is at 50%. We have the iPad mini charging at 5.3 watts. We have the Z Fold 4 charging at 9.5 watts, which interestingly enough it was at 15 before I started connecting other stuff as well using the USB-A port, so that's pretty cool. And then we have the Nintendo Switch charging as well, but it's currently at a slow rate of just 7 watts. And then we still have the MacBook charging, so I can keep this thing powered on and charging while editing videos, watching YouTube, or whatever I'm doing on the internet. So that's freaking sweet. I'm gonna go ahead and disconnect the USB-A's. And now we have the Switch charging at a more optimal 15 watts at 2%. This thing is an absolute unit, and honestly, if you had solar input providing 60 watts, right now I could sustain all 4 of these things charging fully faster, meaning that I'm putting in 60 watts and I'm only drawing 30 watts. So I'm still going to charge this thing up at a decent rate using solar. So I will be investing in some solar panels. They're just a little expensive, so it's going to take me some time to be able to afford one. But I will have one, and I will follow this video up when I have a Anker solar bank to put in here and just, charge the sucker up infinitely forever using the sun. That's freaking awesome. I'll have a link to my unboxing video in the description below, as well as check out my YouTube short. I will link to that as well. It shows this thing going at 90 watts, because it was charging one device at 27 and another one at 60. So yeah, it read 90, even though that doesn't exactly add up to 90. And this thing is such an absolute unit, and it just does so many things. And then I can also have some light in a dark room. This will completely lighten up the whole room when it's dark, and I can see what I'm doing. I still have my laptop charging at a really good speed. I still have my phone charging at 27 watts. I still have this thing is the ultimate power bank, and I freaking love it. Thank you so much for watching. Please follow me on Twitter and Instagram if you're not doing so already. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already. And please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. This is What Would Josh Do? And I'm out.